Once upon a time, in a charming little village nestled among the hills, lived a kind-hearted hedgehog named Ursula. She was known for her soft, spiky quills and her warm, welcoming heart. Every day, Ursula would wander through the village, greeting her friends with a friendly hello. Her favorite friend was Oliver, a cheerful old owl who lived in a hollow tree. One cold winter night, a heavy snowstorm blanketed the village. Ursula and Oliver decided to help their friends who lived far away, in the valley below. They knew many of them would struggle to make it through the storm. The next morning, Ursula and Oliver set off, bundled up against the cold. They trudged through the deep snow, their hearts filled with warmth and kindness. As they journeyed, they shared stories and laughed at each other's jokes. Upon reaching the valley, they found their friends huddled together, trying to keep warm. Ursula and Oliver distributed warm blankets and shared their food. They stayed with their friends until the storm had passed, ensuring everyone was safe and warm. As the sun rose the next day, Ursula and Oliver began their journey back to their own village. They were tired but happy, knowing they had helped their friends in need. When they returned home, their village gave them a warm welcome. They thanked Ursula and Oliver for their kindness and bravery. From that day on, the villagers knew they could always count on Ursula and Oliver to help when times were tough. And so, Ursula became known as the kindest hedgehog in the land, always ready to lend a helping hand to those in need. Her story serves as a reminder to us all that kindness and friendship can warm even the coldest winter night.